Okay, so we just got done with dinner at the Mason Jar.
Lunch.
And lunch, yeah, at the Mason Jar. And here's our room. Nice big bed that's together for us, thankfully. No couch this time. That's different. Although this room does seem a little smaller than normal, but even for an inside room, it does actually seem a little smaller than normal. But no couch in this one. And then our bathroom, where it is. There we go. It's our bathroom. See my ugly reflection in the mirror here. My beautiful wife.
David Scott.
And then the stuffed animals, Charlie, Tucker, and our new one, Little Boo. And that's our stateroom attendant's name there. Haven't met him yet or not. And are you had to be on vacation?
Mm-hmm.
You guys, just the two of us this time?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
And I'm sure Jackson is doing fine.
Yeah. They don't know who Jackson is.
My kitty.
Well,
My diabetic kitty.
yeah, Jackson's our diabetic cat. We had to board
We
for this
had to
trip,
board.
so.
Because he's diabetic.
But, all right, till next time. See ya.